Back in Tokyo. This time I'm in Harajuku. It's kind of gray today, but we're having a fun time going shopping. I just got free shoelaces at the Allbirds here. Here's the new Harajuku station. Here we got our train. Gonna play our favorite jingle. So cheerful. I love the Harajuku jingle. And we're gonna walk towards Takashita Dori. It's December 5th, and looks like the ginkgo trees are like reaching their peak. Really pretty. I'm gonna meet my friends by one of my favorite stores here. Favorite stores for getting hilarious bad English t-shirts and cute clothing. Last time I was here, it was crazy crowded. Now it's not so bad. Here we are. The silhouette. I want to become someone like her. Oh. Found Ari. One of us should, oh my god, oh, this is such a cool shirt. Partida. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Don't let anyone make you feel like you don't deserve what you want. I don't regret the things I've done, but those I did not do. You cannot live your life to please others. Choice must be yours. I mean, it's correct English. For lunch, we went to Flippers Shibuya. Can't get enough of those fluffy pancakes. And we met up with my tour guide, Shin, who was my tour guide 3 years ago when I went to Japan. I brought him some American goodies. Next up was Teamlab Planets. Teamlab Planets. What do you think?
Pretty cool.
Tamar gives a very enthusiastic nod, yes. These are real flowers. I'm kind of stuck
think I live here now.
Not so bad.
It was still heavily raining when we were done with Teamlab. So we went to Spa Laqua, which is this amazing spa super center in middle of Tokyo. You could spend all night there. It's amazing.
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there.
If you're looking for a really cool experience and want to stay in the center of Tokyo, go to Millenials Shibuya. It's a capsule hotel, but those beds were actually the most comfortable beds we slept in the whole trip.
Lise, where are we going?
Well, we're going to Asakusa Station to go to Nikko. Time to head to Asakusa. You can get to Nikko by taking the Tobu Railway from Asakusa Station. We bought the all-area Tobu Nikko Pass, which gave us access to all the areas in Nikko, plus a round-trip ticket using the Tobu Railway. This is a really convenient ticket to have, but it's not covered by the JR Rail Pass, so do your math and see if it's worth it for you. It was worth it for us. Our lodging for the night was this really cute bed and breakfast run by a family. We stayed in a traditional Japanese suite, and they serve breakfast in the morning too. They also have 2 really beautiful onsens. It's our second to last day in Japan, our last real full day, and we needed to hit up all the spots in Nikko. Well, not all, but as much as we can see before the sun sets. And then we had to head back to Tokyo. This is Kegon Falls. It's really sunny. After Kegon Falls, we took the bus towards the Nikko World Heritage Sites. The bus fare was included in our Tobu Nikko Pass. We spotted this very aesthetic cafe and decided we needed some R&R before exploring the rest of Nikko. Okay. This way. It's our last night. We're very sad. We're walking to our hotel. We just got back from Nikko. So I feel a little bit like a pack mule. Bags on the back, bags on the front. Now you're holding a bag. And we'll see what is in store for tonight. Maybe more spa Laqua, maybe some Shinjuku. That's a plan. We shall see. Stay tuned. For dinner that night, we hit up another really great vegan ramen spot. Good morning from our last day in Japan. We're very sad. It's not even a full day. Our flight's at 5. We're staying in this really cool place called Dots. We're in a dot. And check out this view. There is the sky tree. We have our own like little balcony here. And this is like a 200 square foot apartment in New York City. Would be nice. Has the whole like living area, a lofted bed and beds underneath, and there's a kitchenette back there. Pretty cute. Not really much room for our luggage though. Not much space for activities. But goodbye. Just bought a new camera lens from Kitamura Camera, which is located, oh, they have a bunch of locations. But let me just flip this screen. This little like doorway here has a bunch of floors. The 4th floor is used cameras. I looked there first. They didn't have the lens I wanted, but I got a really good price on the lens I wanted on the new photo store. Just because I get it tax-free and the yen is weak right now. So just got the Sigma 18 to, what was it, the 18 to 50? It'll be a nice go-to lens. Don't have any zoom lenses. But here we are. There's like a bunch of camera stores right here, but I'm short on time. I really only went to one.
I wish it was a catfish swimming in the deep blue sea. Oh yeah.
I spent my last few hours in Japan shopping for gifts in Shinjuku and Harajuku before rushing back to Ueno to catch the Keisei Skyliner train to Narita Airport. My second trip to Japan was amazing. I made friends, discovered new places, found some serenity, and had a blast. It solidified that Japan is not just a place that will become a once-in-a-lifetime trip. It's a place I will return to time and time again. What I know is that this isn't goodbye. It's see you soon.
Pikachu vending machine!
There are no Pikachus inside this vending machine.
Lisa, you want this t-shirt of a beautiful man in the waterfall?
Oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Oh, hi.
You put on a stuffed animal suit.